Hello all traders. Today is Wednesday, 18th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we are going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and DAX and E-mini CFDs. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was going up during the Asian session and it started to go down pre-market, and we see that the price started to go down after New York market opening and retesting the previous level of support. So our plan of action is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price reach this level of the support and bounce back, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend, or if it further goes down, we will take sell short positions. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and I'm going to show you the trade that we have taken so far, because there is a Fed minute release later today and volatility will increase. So we finished for the day taking long position repeatedly when the price broke this level and tested the support level and bounced back. So you can see here that on Nasdaq, when the price reached the previous support level at 10 o'clock here, and we had the buyers came back strongly. So I took long position starting with setup C and then T repeatedly. And you can see all the entries and exits here that was taken on this uptrend channel that I'm going to draw here. So you can see better. That's our uptrend channel. So we enter in the lower area of channel and exit in the middle and upper area of channel. Again on Dow Jones and also S&P 500, the same pattern happened. So you can see that the price broke this level and bounced back. So we had on Dow Jones this uptrend channel, and I took several long position, and also on S&P 500 I took one long position. So we finished early today because, as I said, Fed meeting minute is going to increase the volatility significantly. So all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts, and as you see, we are positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate. So we cannot calculate the profit factor and average win to loss ratio, but we can see that the average winning trades were $105 and the largest winning trade was $210. So that was the summary of the futures prop firm accounts on Apex Trader fundings. And let's look at the small CFD prop firm accounts. Entry level for beginners to practice and gain experience. As you see, we are positive today, and equity curve is growing with profit factor which reached 1.53 now, and we had here maximum consecutive winners of 16 and a maximum consecutive loss of 4, that the winner generated $87 in a row and $41 loss in a row. So the drawdown of account is small, as you see, and less than 1%, and is consistently growing. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.